and to Almighty. With utmost pleasure, I am happy to introduce Inspiria 2020, the first edition of the annual magazine of Albania Matriculation Higher Secondary School. The school magazine is a symbol of pride and a miniature representation of the school. The magazine, Inspiria, espouses the school spirit which is built up within the school through our collective actions, thoughts, and aspirations. It gives me immense pleasure to ensure that this magazine has successfully accomplished its objective. The reflection of the students' creativity and achievements is the epitome of the magazine. I take this opportunity to thank our principal, Reverend Sister Minnie George, for entrusting us with the responsibility of editing. I also thank our editorial board members who have put in relentless efforts to bring excellence to the treasure trove. I am thankful to all my colleagues who dipped their oars into the turbulent water in the journal and have sailed it into the shore of publication. I thank the contributors, as their contribution is the reason that makes this magazine enduring with our readers. I hope this magazine will play a vital role in the all-round development of the children.
Dear parents, well-wishers, teachers, and my dear students, today is the very special day for the Albania family. We are going to release our first annual magazine, Inspiria 2020, today. The meaning of the word Inspiria: to infuse the minds, to inspire, to stimulate the good spirit of education, to provide inspiration and encouragement. That is the aim of annual magazine of Albania. As I said earlier, today is the great day in Albania's history. We are going to release our first magazine by giving the first copy to our former principal and was a correspondent for long years, who is no one else, our beloved Sister Adelaide. She is an unforgettable personality in Albania's all interior. At this moment, I am grateful to the editorial board, the staff, the parents, students, and those who promoted and helped this Inspiria 2020. The theme of the magazine, it is gratitude. Gratitude is an attitude towards silver lining in life. Whatever happens in the year 2019-20, we try to remember with an attitude of gratitude. A special thanks to Reverend Sister Adelaide and Miss Rani, our senior staff, for the effort you have taken to release this annual magazine. Let us proceed with the releasing of annual magazine with an attitude of gratitude. Now it's a Christmas season. I wish you all a happy Christmas. Thank you very much.
The school magazine is a reflection of the culture of the school, and it is the mirror to the cream of our activities, creativity, of our imagination and our expression. Now it's time for us to launch the magazine Inspiria 2020. In our midst, we have our former principal, Reverend Sister Adelaide, to release the magazine.
जनन जनन तनन तनन जनन जनन तनन तनन तोम जनन जनन तनन तनन जनन जनन तनन तनन तोम तोम जनन जनन तनन तनन तोम तोम जनन जनन तनन तनन गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताय तै तै तुम तिरक तुम गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताय तै तै तुम तिरक तुम गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताय तै तै तुम तिरक तुम गीत धुनि कुतक धीम तान गावे तक तल तै तै तान गावे तक तल तै तै तान गावे तक तल तै 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 तक तना धीम तकिड तक धीम धीम तकिड तक धीम धीम तकिड तक धीम हद तोम हद गीत धुनि कुतक धीम तदीम तदीम तिरना उदनि तानि तानि तदीम तदीम तिरना तदीम तदीम तिरना उदनि तानि तानि तदीम तदीम तिरना तानि तोम तद गदरि तान दर तान धीम अलरि गलरि तद गता तार तद गमाम तानि तद गताम तार दीम 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 तकतन अलरि तोम 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 तकतन तनि अलरि गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी तानि तै तै तुम तिरक तुम गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी तानि तै तै तुम तिरक तुम तानि तै तै तुम तिरक तुम तानि तै तै तुम तिरक तुम गीत धुनि कुतक धीम निकुतक धीम निकुतक धीम
Give thanks to the Lord, for His good, His love endures forever. Thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude. Gratitude is the completion of thankfulness.
At this launching event, I thank our principal, Reverend Sister Minnie George, for her unstinted support of our journey. My heartfelt thanks to Reverend Sister Adelaide for spending her valuable time at this pandemic situation. I owe special gratitude to the members of the media who worked behind the screen. Thank you.